Welcome to Drink Wine Be Crafty. I'm Megan. Today I'm going to show you how I made this adorable little sleeping sloth out of a picture that I found on Pixabay website. I will share that website with you down below. And to do this, I've already downloaded the image from the site, so I'm just going to go to Upload and Browse, and I'm going to find my image, which is right here. There are a lot of reasons why I like to download from the website Pixabay, but one is if you see these triangles here, that means that the background is already transparent. That makes our job a little bit more easy. It's a PNG file. If it was a JPEG, then the background would be, a different color, white or something else. Now, I don't want this many colors. I'm going to do 5 different colors for this project, so what you'll want to do is hit simple when you want to maybe take away some of the colors or just make it a little bit more simple. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to show you. I'm going to click on all these options: simple, moderately complex, or complex. Now when we click on simple, you can see it takes away a lot of the color, and the colors that you see do not matter because we're going to change them once we get the image into our design space. And then you can see when we change these, it just gives a little bit different color tones. So simple, and then we're going to continue. The first layer is very easy. For the black layer, you won't make any changes to this image because what we want is we want this to be completely black, so that way whenever we add the other layers, the black will show through. So just continue, and you'll see the print option or the cut option, which is all black. So you're going to click on the cut option, and you can save the file, change the name, add some tags. I've already saved this file to my design space, so I'm not going to save it again. I'm just going to go back to my uploads, and I'm going to show you how to insert it. So once you've saved it, it'll show up here. Just click on it and hit insert image. And here it is. Now it's way bigger than what we want it to be, but we'll resize after we've done a couple more of these layers. So go back into uploads. I'm going to show you how to get the next layer. So we'll get back to our image. And again, you'll select simple. So now we are going to use the wand tool to get rid of everything but the part that we want. And when you click on the picture with the wand, it will erase all the unwanted parts. And I will zoom in. I know you can't really tell. I just wanted you to get the idea of this particular tool. Zoomed in so much. Now what happened there? I thought I only clicked it twice. Okay, so you can see there are a lot of little extra lines that we don't need. So once you've clicked on all the colors, then you'll go back with the erase tool and you will erase all of the extra to make sure that you're getting all of the little pieces and the dots. You can click on preview and it will make everything darker and make it to where you can really see if you've missed something or what's going on. And this is what it's going to look like once we erase everything. It's very clean. It looks rough around the edges, but when you hit preview, you can see that it looks like a clean cut. So let's erase the rest of the unwanted spots, and then we'll move on to the next step. Now you just do the same steps for the remaining layers, but I'm going to skip over and show you something that there was one layer that gave me a little bit of trouble. And unfortunately this is not an uncommon thing with some pictures, Around the eyes right here, you can see it's very rough and jagged. The rest of the lines turned out really smooth. For some reason, these eyes did not, so that is going to have to be cleaned up. Now, this process can be a little bit tedious depending on how much you have to do of this, but just a quick tip whenever you're doing these small fine lines, I just do it a click at a time. So whenever I go over it, I'm just getting rid of this black line as much as I can. You probably don't have to get rid of all of it. I don't want to get rid of any of the part of the face because I want the other piece that I'm going to put in there to fit. But you can see it cleaned it up, and if you just click it, if you accidentally mess up, you could just easily undo it. But yeah, we have to do this all the way around the eyes until we get this cleaned up. After I clean this up, I'm going to do the last 2 layers, and then we will start talking about the next steps from there. So now we have all of our pieces, and we're going to insert them into Design Space and change their color and position them where we want them. In my last video, I went through this process with another design, so I'm not going to go through this whole process. I'm going to just quickly get everything designed, and then we're going to do my next video, part 2. I'm going to show you how I, once they're printed and weeded, how I put them together the easy way that I have found. So that's it for this video. I'm going to see you guys on my next video, and thanks for watching.